If you want a fast and simple way to get contracts, agreements, or invoices signed without printing, scanning, or messing with PDFs, then BreezeDoc could be a useful tool. It's made for the freelancers, small businesses, agencies, or anyone who deals with clients and wants a clean and digital signing process. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover tools that save time, keep things professional, and reduce the hassle. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link in the description to get the BreezeDoc with the lifetime deal. And by using the link from description, you will get some discount and the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's dive into BreezeDoc and see how it works, what it offers. And BreezeDoc is an online signature and document management platform. The main idea is you upload your contract or agreement, or you use a ready-made template, then you can add the signature fields and you can send it to your client and they can sign from any device without needing an account. It's quick and feels very modern. You can start with a free version. It gives you a small number of documents per month and unlimited templates and the basic features, which is enough if you have the occasional contracts or for the small volume. For people with more frequent signing needs like freelancers, agencies, or small businesses, there are paid lifetime plans, one-time payment instead of the recurring subscription. One of the big advantages is the convenience. You don't need the paper, scanner, or back and forth emails. Clients get a link and open it. They can sign electronically and you get a final signed document immediately. BreezeDoc takes care of the audit trail, timestamp, and creates a legally binding PDF. So you have the record of the signature, time, and the user. If you run a small agency or manage many clients, then BreezeDoc can handle multiple recipients like multi-signers and multiple templates and even integrate invoicing. You can attach an invoice to a contract and send together and let your client sign then pay. This is very useful for freelancers, consultants, or service providers. The interface is designed to be simple and user-friendly, uploading a document, placing the signature fields, and sending. Everything is pretty intuitive. That's good if you don't want the complicated software and just need a straightforward solution. Also, because it's lifetime deal, you pay once and you get the long-term access. That's often more cost-effective compared to subscription based on the competitors. Especially if you send contracts or agreement frequently over months or years, then this is useful for you. But like any tool, BreezeDoc has some limitation also, and it has some things to consider. First of all, when signed documents are large or complex, some users report that slow uploads or the timeouts. Also, email deliverability or the signature request that can sometimes be unreliable. Corporate spam filters may mark them as a spam, which could delay the signing. Another issue is the branding and customization. On lower plans, the email or the signing page might still show the BreezeDoc's branding. If you want a fully white label experience, so it looks like your own brand, then you might need the more advanced plan. Integration and the advanced workflow support, for example, automated API workflow, advanced document management, or very complex multi-sign rules, it seems limited compared to big enterprise grade tools. So if you manage many users, complex contracts, or need the heavy automation, then BreezeDoc may or may not cover all the needs. Finally, because it is browser based and depends on online servers, you need stable internet. For very large documents or sensitive contracts, you should ensure the security and the verify signed PDFs properly. All things considered, BreezeDoc is a solid choice if you want a no-fuss, affordable, and reasonably powerful e-signature tool, especially if you are a freelancer, small business, or agency. It simplifies contract sending and signing, avoids the printing or scanning. That gives you legally binding the signatures, which allows the multiple signers and even supports the invoicing. If you value the simplicity, cost effectiveness, and speed, you don't need the advanced enterprise level document workflow. BreezeDoc is worth to trying. So that's all for today's video. I hope now you understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of clear, honest, and helpful reviews, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. And don't forget to check the link in the description to grab the lifetime deal from the AppSumo on BreezeDoc. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.